G'day guys, today we're measuring angles. It's a three-step process. It's pretty basic. Firstly, you find your angle. You place the little dot of your protractor on the vertex of your angle that you're measuring, and then you rotate it either that way, anti-clockwise, and you find this, or you rotate your protractor anti-clockwise and measure from the zero the other way. So this right line is measured from the inside scale if it's on the right hand side of your protractor, and if we've rotated the protractor around clockwise, then this line will be on the zero, which is on the left of the protractor, and you'll use the outside scale. I'll give you an actual real life angle here. So you're looking at these two lines with your vertex here. Your little cross on your protractor needs to be centered onto the vertex of your angle, and you can rotate it this way. So on the right hand side of your protractor, you use the inside scale, so it's 10 degrees, or you rotate it around the other way and it's on the left hand side. Your angle starts at your left hand side, so you use your outside scale. You always start at zero. So you don't need to remember anything, but you're meant to start at zero. So on this side, you're starting at zero. If you rotate it around the other way, it's starting at zero here. You see that? So in both cases, it's 10 degrees. Going to check that. It's correct. Next one. We rotate this around either way, it doesn't matter. And we start at zero and we count up to, it looks like about 40, and we use the outside scale here, so it's 41. 41, that's correct. Go to the next one. You can rotate it around this way if you want. Doesn't matter which way you do it, as long as you count from the zero. So 0, 10, 20. That looks like a bit under 27. Okay. And so on. Let's have a look at this one. You can rotate it this way, making sure that this bottom line in your protractor is perfectly covering the line of your angle. And it starts at zero, so we count that round to 100. It's a bit below 110. So it looks like 109. And we can go around this way as well on the outside of the protractor now, starting at zero. Doesn't seem to be perfectly centered. There we go. Okay, so that line is perfectly centered here, and starting at zero all the way around to, that is 109. So yep, and keep going. Center that, and we use the inside scale. On this one we're starting at zero, so that looks like it's 155. 155. And last one, start on the left, zero, it's on the outside scale, so that's 100 and looks like 170. So it's that easy, guys. This one, I won't bore you, but you can either measure it that way or that way. So there's two ways to measure it. Hope that helps.